we're looking at another problem that is not only a problem in Shanghai that I think we've all dealt with at some point, but it's a global problem that our next team, Team Accurate Air, has set out to do. So please welcome them.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. My name is Greg Fisher. I'm with AQI Hackers, and we're here to talk to you for a few minutes about pollution. Oh, joy, right? I know, and we really appreciate you all coming out today, especially with all the rain that we've been having, but at least we're getting clean air out of it. So we're here to talk about pollution. I don't know how many of you guys know what PM 2.5 is. Anybody here know? Okay, so this is obviously a pollution that people are aware of. And what we're trying to present to you here today is we have found a way to track PM 2.5 more effectively than is currently being collected. Now, before I go in there, just give it a second to think about this. First of all, right now we're in a world pandemic, as we're all aware of. 850,000 people have passed away due to this virus. Currently, though, the World Health Organization estimates that 7 million people pass away each year due to PM 2.5 exposure. So that gives you a realization of there are other fears to be out there and not just one pandemic. So what we basically did was we went out there and we set up taking all of these locations, all of these locations here, and we have been updating our information, our information with hourly updates. So first of all, we're getting live data to you to be able to see where the pollution is and when will it be in your backyard. Basically, we track all the way across the country, and when you enter the information, you will get precision reporting as to your location. Now, how did we do it? Well, we used the black box of AI. Everybody talks about AI, oh my God, but there's a lot of magic in this and a lot of science. But we went through all these different iterations and looked and saw. And what we came down to was powerful predictors. How do you predict something that you can't see? And so by taking deep learning, machine learning, we were able to use deep intercity relationships. So based on what's coming out of each city, we're able to track and identify where will it be and when will it be there. So what leaves Beijing seems to come to Shanghai a lot. But what we also noticed too was we were able to use weather interactions by using especially moisture content in the air to determine how much PM 2.5 is actually removed from the air. This allows us for very accurate weather information. So what I'm going to do is hand this over to Dr. Shafu. He's the brains of the operation. So will you give a hand for Dr. Shafu? Hey, my pleasure.
Thank you, Greg. Right, iBox, as Jackie Ma called it. But I'm not going to elaborate on the physics, matrix, or statistics all day long, because tonight, what we are excited about is we just launched a new web-based app with a simple and minimalistic design of our user interface. All that you need to do is select the pollutants of your interest and click the location where you are, presumably Shanghai, and hit the button. We will have next 5 days forecast. And for our data geeks or environmental enthusiasts, we have another corner for you to explore. With an interactive map, you can go wherever you like to see, and we keep tracking the live data and store it, feed to our model at an hourly base. So this way, we can keep our prediction updated. Well, we will have the output, something like this eventually. This will certainly be included in our next upgrade. But for today, I'm just going to stop here and hand this over back to Greg.
Thanks, Doc. So what we want you to see is that we're on a path, and we're on a path to help you find clean air, and also to help other people see how the patterns move and can help to decide where they need to fight to reduce the pollution. So we would like to thank Wagon, because as 4 Wagon trained data scientists, we believe that we could never have gotten here without them. So as we conclude, we would love for you guys to take a shot of the QR code, take a look at it. We'll be over here afterwards if you'd like to come and talk to us about it. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.